Welcome to the final day of this 30-day challenge, day 30. You have now, over the period of 30 days, every day received a tip about how to improve your skills and develop confidence in your video creating skills, particularly in doing live video. So for this 30th day, we have a very interesting challenge for you to work on, and this is what we're going to do. You choose your end goal, which would be, let's say, that you like to sell an online course. And then you work backwards to map out your story, and you make a call to action. The call to action is basically providing a lead magnet, or that's basically a free ebook or free sample of the course that you're providing, a free trial. And that's a soft sell, and that's the call to action. You are encouraging your viewers to subscribe to this free trial. By doing that, they also will sign up for your mailing list. So that is basically the strategy how online courses are being sold. So I would encourage you to think about how you would formulate this video, because this sums up really the whole 30 days that you have been doing now with me. Now, I'd like you to just think about what you like to do with this video, skills that you have, and how you can use it in the future. Now, if you're interested to learn more about strategies, how to go live, how to use the various platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn Live, Facebook, Instagram, how to use them as your platforms to do videos, send me a direct message, and I will plan for you, and we can discuss how I can assist you to set you up for success in the future. But I'd like to thank you very much for joining me now in this 30-day journey. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I'm enjoying it, creating it for you. So I wish you all success, and let's keep in touch. We are, after all, friends here on this platform, but feel free to join me on other platforms that you will see. So all the best and everything good for your future. Bye for now.